Hey there, digital marketers! Are you ready to revolutionize your TikTok strategy and skyrocket your engagement? Ready to take your TikTok game to the next level? Imagine turning your casual TikTok browsing into a powerful marketing tool. Meet Tokmate, the ultimate traffic tool designed to make you go viral in seconds. This isn't just another app, it's a game changer for your social media strategy. Imagine this, you going viral from scratch, flooding your offers with targeted traffic instantly. Picture your notifications blowing up with likes, comments, and shares. Sounds like a dream, right? But with Tokmate, this dream can become your reality. Well, Tokmate makes it a reality. It's designed to simplify and amplify your TikTok marketing efforts. Tokmate is the world's first and only all-in-one TikTok software. It's a comprehensive tool that integrates seamlessly with your existing social media strategy. It allows you to find, edit, upload, schedule, and monetize the most viral content on TikTok all in a matter of seconds. Let's break it down and see how it works. Step 1. Find viral content. This is where the magic begins. With Tokmate, you can find the most viral content in your niche within seconds. No more endless scrolling, get straight to the content that matters. Search by niche, hashtag, keyword, or even location. It's that simple. Tokmate's powerful search capabilities ensure you're always on top of the latest trends. Step 2. Edit, select, or schedule. This is where you customize your content to fit your brand. See something you like? Click on the viral content you want to repost. Tokmate makes it easy to curate content that resonates with your audience. Or you can upload your own. Showcase your creativity and originality by adding your unique touch to the content. Add your call to action in text and schedule it using the world's first TikTok scheduler. This ensures your content is posted at the optimal time for maximum engagement. Step 3. Sit back and go viral instantly. Watch as your content reaches a wider audience effortlessly. Tokmate pushes this proven-to-go viral content directly to your target market's feed. Your reach expands exponentially. Your account goes viral, and the traffic starts flowing to your site directly from the caption, bio link, or individual CTA upload. It's that easy. Imagine the potential for your business. What's gone viral before will go viral again, thanks to TikTok's unique algorithm. Tokmate leverages this to your advantage. Tokmate was built to not just create viral, highly engaged accounts from scratch, but to become the most powerful organic traffic source for your business you've ever used. It's a tool designed for growth. Ready to see Tokmate in action? Experience the transformation for yourself. Click the link below and watch as your TikTok dreams become reality. It's time to take control of your social media success. That's Tokmate, the ultimate TikTok traffic tool, making you go viral in seconds. Don't just take our word for it. See the results for yourself. Don't miss out. Start your viral journey today. Your path to TikTok stardom begins with Tokmate.